Here's my room, guys, 363. If I tap that on there, and in we go. As you come in, make sure you switch this light switch on, the master switch. That will trigger all the plug sockets, TVs and stuff for your electricity. Now, before we get into this room tour, I just want to point out that walking along the seafront here in Blackpool, this hotel stuck out like a sore thumb. It looks to be the best hotel by far. The view, as you can see, is amazing. So if you do come to Blackpool, please check this hotel out because I'm blown away by how good this is. Right, let's get into the room tour. Over here to the right of the door, there's like this wardrobe space. You've got the iron down the side. You've got some coat hangers. You've got some storage area, which I've put my suitcase in my bag. And then underneath, there's like room for like trainers, or you could have put your bags under there. But yeah, great start to the room. Let's go into the bathroom now. Switch this on. This bathroom is amazing. The sink, amazing. They supply soap and lotion, which I thought was pretty cool. You got your tissues. There were 2 sets of towels and hand towels. That's my toiletries right there. There are shaver plugs right there. You've got a towel rail. This reminds me of like a show home. Here's your toilet. And then behind me, that's the towel I've used. The shower was amazing. You have 2 options. Let's go in there. You got like the handheld shower head and then the rainfall shower head. The rainfall shower head is what I used. It was amazing. I was in there for a very long time. You got your shampoo, conditioner and soap. I don't know how well the camera shows it, but the floor space, it's massive. And for privacy, you got a sliding door, which I thought was pretty neat. Soft close as well. Let's head on out. You got this huge mirror and some coat hangers right next to it. Some plugs down there, or a plug, sorry. Behind me, this is just a letter they give you explaining breakfast, fitness centre, Wi-Fi, car park, etc. It is £15 to park here, which is quite extortionate, but you are on the beachfront. There's my other key and my room. You've got a kettle, tea and coffee stuff, cups, glasses, which is pretty neat. I love these little labels on these handles. This one says your stuff. There's a hairdryer in there. This one is a fridge. Pretty good sized fridge, to be fair. They don't supply you with anything. Shut that up. This one is the iron. And there's some storage for your clothes. And this one is your safe, which I thought was pretty strange, but cool as well, laying down. Now, the main attraction. Look at this bed area. You've got like a sofa style seating area, which is pretty comfy. I've already sat down there, as you can tell. My bag is just down there, a little cubby hole. You've got a reading light, you've got 2 plug sockets, a USB charger. I'm not quite sure what the technical term is for that top one, but that's for like your iPhones now. 2 light switches. You've got some cool artwork with a little mirror. If I spin you round, you've got a massive TV. Like massive, I'm not sure the camera does that justice. Underneath you've got like a little desk area, some shelving. Again, plenty of plug sockets in this room and USB ports and stuff, which I thought was pretty amazing. You can never have too many plug sockets, in my opinion. I haven't actually looked at this. Okay, more information, fire alarm test, fire safety and evacuation, etc. I thought that was going to be room service, but it's not. The other side of the bed, you have a phone right there. Again, double plug socket, USBs, light switches. Amazing. No cubby hole this side. That is the bed. We'll do a bed test at the end. It's a double, pretty good size. And then look at this view. It's a gorgeous day here in Blackpool. The sea's out. The beach actually looks quite nice. Just down there, I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it. Yeah, right there is the pier. So you're not too far, I'd say a 10-15 minute walk. It is a bit further than it looks. But yeah, the views are crazy good. You got a floor to ceiling window, and obviously your curtains for when you go to sleep. But I was pretty amazed by this room. I was not expecting it. I am here midweek. I think it was £70. Value for money, crazy good. That includes breakfast in the morning. But yeah, love the bathroom. I love the decor. I love the fact you got like a little sofa area and the bed. So I'm gonna flip you around, do a bed test, and end this vlog. All right, you ready for this bed test? Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Almost dropped the phone on my face. The sun is blinding. The bed, this is the first time I've laid on the bed. Very comfy and very spacious, actually. I'd give it a good, the sun is blinding. I'd give it a good 8, 9 out of 10 for sure. So that is the room, guys. As you can see, the duvet is quite puffy because there is a print of my body in the bed. It was really comfy. I'm looking forward to sleeping in there later. But if you do have any questions about the hotel, then please drop a comment. If you like this room tour, then please drop a like. And I'll see you at my next hotel. See you later, guys.